Determine the pressure of nitrogen at 0 degree Celsius if the density of nitrogen at normal temperature and pressure is 1.25 kilogram per meter cube and RMS speed of the molecule at normal temperature and pressure is 489 meter per second. Let us write down given. At NTP, rho is equal to 1.25 kilogram per meter cube, and at normal temperature and pressure, RMS speed or RMS velocity is equal to 489 meter per second. To find pressure, P is equal to question mark. So we know formula for pressure. Pressure is equal to 1 by 3 rho V RMS square. Substitute the values. P is equal to 1 by 3 rho that they have given us is 1.25 into VRMS square is 489 square. So there are different ways of solving. Most of the basic is by using logs. We will be solving with the help of logs. So 1 by 3. So let us divide this 1.25 by 1 by 3. We will get value as 0.4166 into 489 raised to 2, that is square of 489. P is equal to, now taking logs on both sides, so anti-log of 0.4166 plus, since it is multiplication it will become plus 2 log of 489. P is equal to anti-log of, the number is less than 1, so 0.4166 characteristics will become bar 1. Its log value will become 6197 plus 2 into log of 489 will have its characteristics as 2 point and its mantissa part will be 6893. So this you can solve using log table. Open your log books, search for number 4166. So 41 intersection point with the sixth column, okay, and later on find out sixth mean difference column, what is the value, and add it up. So here also 48.9, the third value is not given to us, so there will be no value of mean difference column, because mean difference column in logarithm goes from 1 to 9. Okay, so there is no such value as 0. Now let us multiply these two terms first. So we will get P is equal to anti-log of bar 1.6197 plus, so product of this multiplication will be 5.3786. So you multiply it, 2.6893 into 2. So check what answer you get. It should be 5.3786. Next we have to add these two numbers. So addition of these two numbers we can do it as, so always first number first. So take on the top you will take this number, at the bottom you will take this number in the addition part. So on right hand side I am showing you. So bar 1.6197 is the number. So let me first write down this here, otherwise you will get confused here. 5.3786 is the answer of this multiplication, and in red I am writing down the addition. So even though this characteristics of this above value is -1, we are not going to take minus outside. So plus minus minus will not become, it will be plus. So 3786. So addition of this two will give us answer as 3899.4. So P is equal to anti-log of 4.9983. Now open your anti-log books, and in your anti-log book you have to search for 0.99 with decimal point 99, 8 intersection point, take that value, search third column of mean difference and add it up with the intersection value that you have got for 0.99 and 8. The value that you should get is 9961. So this 4 is written in the form of 10 raised to 4. This particular value here, 4, goes into the power term of 10. It is a rule that while writing anti-log you should put decimal point after the first digit. So now I am going to adjust this decimal power term 10 raised to 4 inside this number. So now the number that I am going to get is P is equal to 99610 Newton per meter. Now in your answer you can see that they have given us a bigger value. So the method of calculation for this value may be different. They might have used some different device to calculate the value. So they got many significant digits after 4 digits. But in this case, since we have used our logbook, which has only 4 significant digits, so we got only 4 significant values, and other all values we will be replacing it by 0. So final answer to this question, we should write the pressure of nitrogen at 0 degree Celsius is 99610 Newton per meter.